Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan first generation from year 2008 to year 2016. If you want to see how to remove or replace climate control switch, guys, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. Common mistakes people make, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly taking things apart. You can see transmission, engines. We're constantly rebuilding things, fixing things. We make videos how to do that. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your Volkswagen or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So now right here, guys, you need to go ahead, okay, and you can see that trim right here. You need to pull that rubber, okay, trim off, okay, pull that rubber out, and right here you will have three, okay, actually one screw. One, guys, in the middle only. The other ones are not holding. Okay, that one right there. Go ahead, pull it. This one is with the Torx 15. Start looking big. So it's coming out. Now, if we grab that thing, okay, that climate control thing practically will come out. Okay, you can see that's the trim. Right here it came out, okay, just like that. Now the climate control itself, the climate control, guys, has 4 screws that we'll need to remove now, slowly. One coming out, then we have one more right there on the side. Those are loose, somebody didn't tighten those. So we did that. Okay, and we have all 4 of them out. Now we can go ahead, okay, and disconnect the wires. That red thing, okay, those red things need to come up, guys. Okay, like that. You press down and grab on the connector, not on the wires, and it comes out. Okay, climate control came out just like that. You can see, guys, that's how you guys remove and replace the climate control on Volkswagen Tiguan if you need to. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.